Hello everyone, this is Allison Price with The Infused Life, and I guide the busy mom with actionable tips for living a healthier lifestyle. Today I want to show you a super simple DIY recipe for a room spray slash upholstery spray slash carpet spray, linen spray, whatever it is that you want to be spraying down, and not spraying it down with the toxins and the chemicals of the products that are available to you on the store shelves. So super simple, you need water and you need pure essential oils. I have a 30 ml spray bottle, and I've already filled it because I did this video once already, but I just take this spray bottle, fill it with water, and I like my aroma heavy for a room spray slash linen spray, whatever you're using it for. So I'm going to do around 30 drops total of essential oil. This is for a linen spray to spray down beds and pillows before everybody goes to bed for the evening. So I did about 15 drops of lavender, 15 drops of cedarwood, dropped them in this spray bottle, topped it off with water, and then you simply put the lid on, shake, and spray. So you can add an emulsifier if you'd like, a little bit of witch hazel, some rubbing alcohol, some vodka if you really wanted, but it's not necessary. You just have to remember to shake before you spray, and then you've got a beautiful non-toxic aroma that you can use to freshen up rooms. You can spray it on linens and pillows and couches and whatever you'd like. Maybe you have company coming over, you had to shoo the dogs off the couch and you want to freshen that up before your company comes over. Regardless, the point here is that it's super simple to make, it costs you pennies, and it's non-toxic, because there should not be hormone disruptors, carcinogens, toxins, endocrine disruptors, nasty ingredients. That stuff should not be in products that we're buying off of the shelf with the intention to spray them and use them in and around ourselves, our kids, our pets, etc. That should not be. So here's a quick, simple, easy way for you to do it yourself and keep it non-toxic. Any questions, please let me know. I'm here and I'm happy to help. Make it a wonderful day.